Oh, Kaleji. If you don't know, Kaleji is essentially liver, most often goat or chicken, and the flavors when done right are out of this world. This is the kind of dish that slaps you awake with its intensity. And Zaika from Dilli 6, that's the Mughlai food capital, baby. First pain point. Liver can overcook like that. Too rubbery? You're chewing on a flip-flop. Underseasoned? Good luck enduring the metallic flavor. Here's my promise. Follow this recipe, and you'll have Kaleji so tender and flavorful, it'll teach your taste buds a lesson. Start by gathering your spices, the holy trinity: turmeric, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Dilli 6 flavors are bold, so don't skimp. You'll also need garam masala, ginger garlic paste, fresh tomatoes, green chilies, and if possible, mustard oil. Trust me, mustard oil makes a difference. Heat mustard oil until it hits its smoke point. This is key. Remember, mustard oil has to be cooked properly to remove its raw bitterness. Pain point alert. If you skip this step, your Kaleji will taste weirdly pungent and unpleasant. Throw in your whole spices: bay leaves, cumin seeds, cardamom pods. The smell? Unreal. Like something straight out of old Delhi's bustling lanes. Let the spices bloom for about 20 to 30 seconds, then toss in finely chopped onions. Here's your patience test. You need golden brown onions, not kind of cooked. Gold. Now comes the ginger garlic paste. Add it and stir like your life depends on it. If this burns, it's game over. Burnt garlic is unforgiving. Once aromatic, dice 2 ripe tomatoes and let them melt down into the mixture. Add those ground spices you set aside earlier. This is your masala base. Pro tip: liver cooks fast, like annoyingly fast. Add pre-cleaned liver pieces to your masala and make sure they're coated well. Here's the trick. Cook it uncovered for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, then cover and simmer. It's almost foolproof. Never, and I mean never, overcook liver. It turns chalky. Once it evenly browns, check for doneness by slicing into a piece. It should be tender but not red inside. Sprinkle a pinch of garam masala to finish. That's the Dilli 6 signature twist. Serve it hot with fresh coriander leaves on top. Bonus points if you've got tandoori roti or a flaky paratha to mop up the sauce. If you're feeling lazy, buttered toast works too. No judgment. You're here for the flavors, not tradition. A quick fix if it's too spicy? Squeeze in some lemon juice. It brightens the dish and balances the heat. But really, Dilli 6 Kaleji is meant to have a bit of kick. It's not for the faint of heart. Cooking Kaleji like this is a cultural experience. It feels like you're channeling centuries of Mughlai tradition into your kitchen. It's bold, unapologetic cooking, and when the flavors hit, you'll know why this dish has stood the test of time. Try it and let me know how it goes. Or better yet, send me the photos. I want to see Dilli 6 come alive in your kitchen too.